up, guys? So right now I am trying to replace the fuel filler door lock actuator, and because it wasn't opening anymore, and I don't know why, so I had to pry it open, and I guess the little latch or lever or little stick here that kept it closed broke off when I pried it open. And I just figured I've been looking. I didn't know what it was called, and I kept putting gas door lock or fuel, I don't know, but I finally found it, and that is what is called a fuel filler door lock actuator, which is right behind here. So I'm just gonna show you real quick on how to replace it. All right, let me just flip the camera. You know, I asked Hyundai how much would it be. They said like $167. I'm like, what? That is ridiculous. Got this for 18 bucks. That's the piece that broke off. I got this for 18 bucks on either, I think, Amazon or eBay. I'll double check, but I've already dismantled everything because this is my first time ever doing it. So I didn't want to record and still not know what I'm doing. So I took it out and then I put it back in just to show you guys, but I didn't do the whole thing. So this is going to be held up with 4 10 socket bolts, and you take off this ring or collar. Definitely easier with 2 hands, but and then don't get nervous. I'm very nervous when I try something new, but I saw, like, if you want, I prefer you to use something more plastic so you won't mess up the paint and it won't get rust, but I really didn't have anything. And you could just like pry it open that way. I actually started from over here. Crap. Hold on. And it's gonna sound like it, bro. And be cautious about the pin. If you're just replacing yours and yours is fine, or maybe it just got stuck there, or for whatever reason, if you're just gonna replace this or anything, make sure you push in the pin when you're taking this out so it won't get damaged if yours isn't broken. Just pop that off a little bit. Make sure to close the doors right there, and it should all just slip out. The rubber is gonna get cut on here, so just try to maneuver it. It's flexible, so it's fine. So I'll put my finger in it. Get from the other side. Whichever the best way you can. I'm gonna put the, oh, there it is. There it is. Out of there. And then just jimmy it off to the side. Oh no, it got stuck on it again. I'll put my phone down real quick. Oh, nope, there it is. All connected, so you don't gotta worry about that door. And this is the part where we will do together. Still same size. Wrong way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Nope, I didn't have it the right way. way. I apologize. I'm gonna remove these two and I'll be right back. Okay, done. Just make sure it wasn't really that big at all. So when you unscrew it, don't expect it to be long. So when you pop it out or when you remove the tool, make sure it doesn't go with it and fall down. Just try your best to grab it while you take it out. And then there's right here, there's a little latch that's keeping it together. You push that in. Should be connected to a wire. Yep, that one right there, baby. And a latch on the bottom, and then you just remove it like that. Try to keep it up here because I don't know how long it is down there. Oh, that's the manual way of pulling it, which will be inside the trunk on the left side. Right here. Where's it? Okay. I thought I dropped it. And that's the gist right there. Now, I'm very skeptical about things that I buy on the internet, so let me just measure up. Yep, it looks good. It looks really good. Now, this one already came with a wire, so let me see if I could just use the old one. And to find out if the old one is new, if it's broken or whatever, just click the gas tank button and try to see, and you'll see this push in. Okay. I'm gonna remove the new one. And let's see about the old one. Okay. The old one is on there. I apologize. I didn't think that there was gonna be I didn't realize that there was a new one, so I don't really know how to go from this point on. Let me see. Okay. I'm gonna leave this right here for a second. Okay, never mind. Right here, that's the connector at the end of it. So you just gotta take it off from here if you want to use the new one, or if you have to use the new one, and then drag your hand back. That way you can see the light. It's not really that far apart. You know, it might be better off for two people, but if you're doing it by yourself, good luck. So let me see. I will have to put this back actually. Okay. There's space right here where you can just lean it on, where it just closed off, and then attaches to this. So rest it there. Let me see if I can find it. Yep, it's right there. Put it there. That should be good enough for now. Might be a little tight just because it's hanging out. Okay. Houston, we may have a problem. That's what I was worried about. It seems like the square is kind of big. Unless I would just have to pry it open. So I'll be right back. Pry through. All right, so I have some trouble. So with the stock one, this part is fine. So if you get one for like legitimate, or you actually see that it will fit on yours, you know, because sometimes some product says it will fit, or it just says that it could fit from this year to this year, blah blah blah, but it didn't. This part was too wide in each way, just by a hair, so it wouldn't fit through the hole. So what I had to do is, pretty much, it took me a minute, but just slice it up a little bit, just to make it fit, and it works. You just make sure when you go in, you plug it in first before you bolt it in, because it's really awkward. You really can't plug it in as soon as you screw it up. So yeah, and then everything is just back to order. You just slip it in, just slip this whole thing back in, make sure the rubber goes around, and make sure this doesn't get breaks off when you put the rubber back in. That's pretty much it. Just bolt everything back together and it's good. Currently I'm working on my door panel, as you can see, so I can't really test it out with the button, but I do have the manual one and it works just fine. So if you do get the right one, then you have no problems. Straight up take it out, unscrew it, plug and play, and then put everything back together. So I hope this helped a few of you guys, and thanks for watching.